Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Odyssey key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2025, and you can find this battery in the description, a small flat screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn this key over like this to the back, and right here you see the Phillips head screw. Now take the Phillips head screwdriver and just remove this screw over here. Now when you remove it, you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this one and this one. Now in the first piece right here, there is a box that contains the battery. This is the box and with the buttons and everything. So you need to pull that off. See? Take that box off. And now when you take it, you need to separate this box also into two pieces like this. And how to do that? Well, take the small flat screwdriver and right here on both sides, here and here, you see this plastic that holds them together. So with the tip of the flat screwdriver, insert it right here like this, and now push this piece up a little bit. Be careful to not break the plastic, and this way you can remove this top and you can separate this into two pieces like this. And when you separate into two pieces like this, right after that on this side you see your dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver again, insert the tip right here and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just install your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here is the negative side that facing you, so this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. Be careful with this plastic here to not break it. And when you snap them together like this, take this box again, return it back in its place over here. Everything have to match together just like in the beginning. Alright, when you place it here, take this back piece now, also align it perfectly with this piece, snap them together again, and the final step here is take the Phillips head screw again right here, place it back in its place. And when you do that, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.